Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest news and chart data to give you a clear picture of the market. Today, August 29th, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into BTCUSD, Bitcoin, to see what's driving the price action and whether we can expect a bullish or bearish move in the near future. Recent news surrounding Bitcoin has been a bit mixed, with some reports suggesting a potential profit-taking by whales, while others highlight a bullish outlook driven by long-term investors withdrawing coins from exchanges. A large Bitcoin transfer to the Kraken exchange was reported, potentially contributing to the price drop. While the Federal Reserve has hinted at a potential interest rate cut in September 2024, upcoming economic data releases, such as the U.S. Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) report and NVIDIA earnings, could significantly influence market sentiment. The correlation between Bitcoin and the Nasdaq 100 is also playing a role, with NVIDIA's performance in the artificial intelligence sector impacting Bitcoin's fluctuations. Let's turn to the charts to see what they're telling us. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been in a relatively tight range for the past few months, with the price bouncing between $60,000 and $65,000. This range-bound behavior suggests that neither bulls nor bears have a clear advantage at this point. It's important to note that Bitcoin's price has been trending higher over the long term, with a significant increase in price since the beginning of 2024. This bullish trend is a positive sign for Bitcoin's future, but it doesn't guarantee a continued rise in price in the short term. The recent price drop below $60,000 is a cause for concern, but it's important to see how the price reacts to this level and whether it can regain its footing. If the price breaks below the $58,000 support level, it could signal a larger downward move. However, if the price can hold above this level and bounce back, it could be a sign of a potential bullish breakout. Let's narrow our focus and take a closer look at the hourly chart, specifically the candlesticks from August 28, 2024. Here we see that Bitcoin initially rallied in price, pushing above the $62,000 level, but then faced a strong sell-off that pushed it back below $60,000. This move suggests that there was a significant amount of selling pressure in the market, possibly driven by the large token transfer. However, the price has since stabilized, suggesting that the sell-off may have run its course. We're seeing a consolidation pattern forming, which suggests that the market is uncertain about which direction to move next. Moving back to the daily chart, we can see that the $60,000 level has acted as a strong support level in the past. It's possible that this level will hold again, but we need to see the price action in the coming days to confirm. If the price can bounce back from this level, it would be a bullish signal, suggesting that the current sell-off is temporary. On the other hand, if the price breaks below $60,000 and fails to recover, it could be a sign of a larger downward trend. Let's shift our attention to the 15-minute chart to get a more granular view of the price action. Looking at the recent candlesticks, we see some short-term volatility, with the price fluctuating up and down. However, this volatility is not necessarily a sign of a clear trend. The price seems to be finding support around the $62,000 level, but it's important to see how it reacts to this level in the coming hours. If the price can break above $63,000 and hold above that level, it could signal a short-term bullish breakout. However, if the price fails to break above $63,000 and falls back below $62,000, it could signal a continuation of the downward trend. In conclusion, Bitcoin's price action is currently volatile and uncertain, with both bullish and bearish signals present. The recent price drop below $60,000 is a cause for concern, but it's too early to say whether this is a temporary pullback or the beginning of a larger downward trend. The $60,000 level has acted as a strong support level in the past, but we need to see how the price reacts to this level in the coming days to confirm its strength. If the price can hold above $60,000 and bounce back, it would be a bullish signal, suggesting that the current sell-off is temporary. However, if the price breaks below $60,000 and fails to recover, it could be a sign of a larger downward trend. The hourly chart shows a consolidation pattern, suggesting that the market is uncertain about which direction to move next. The 15-minute chart shows some short-term volatility, with the price fluctuating up and down. The $62,000 level is acting as short-term support, but we need to see the price action in the coming hours to confirm its strength. If the price can break above $63,000 and hold above that level, it could signal a short-term bullish breakout. However, if the price fails to break above $63,000 and falls back below $62,000, it could signal a continuation of the downward trend. Overall, Bitcoin's future is uncertain, and we need to continue monitoring the price action and news to get a clearer picture of the market sentiment. Stay tuned for future updates on Explain the Charts, where we'll continue to break down the latest news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions.